how to turn on pages you manage, likes, notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pages you manage, likes, notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and here just go down until you find pages you manage, click on it and then select your page here and click page interactions. And now just you will find here new likes, just click on it if you want to turn it on. And as you see, new likes has been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.